Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. My hair has been feeling very dry and damaged lately. So today I'm making a special hair gel that deeply nourishes the hair. This is a simple treatment that you should try at least once to see how soft and smooth it makes your hair feel. It's my go-to remedy for controlling frizz and making damaged hair feel healthy again. The main ingredient for a gel is rice water. For generations, we have used rice water in our village to make our hair strong and shiny. It's full of nutrients that help to repair damage and reduce hair breakage, giving hair a very beautiful, healthy look. When we combine this rice water with a few other wonderful ingredients, it becomes a powerful gel that is perfect for a deep conditioning treatment. It brings life back to dull and damaged hair. To get the rice water, boil rice in plenty of water without salt. It's important to use plain unsalted water. Once the rice is cooked, strain the water and keep it aside. To make the gel, first collect some fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are a wonderful ingredient to use for hair care. They are rich in antioxidants and help strengthen the hair roots, which can reduce hair fall. To make the gel, take 1.5 cups of rice water in a pan. To this, add 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds and 4 to 5 sprigs of curry leaves. Boil this mixture on a low flame. It will thicken nicely after a few minutes. Once it is cooled down a little, strain it using a cloth to get a smooth gel. This step makes sure there are no seeds or leaves left and the gel is very easy to apply. To the warm gel, add a little bit of the cold pressed sesame oil. It is rich in fatty acids and helps to condition the hair, leaving it soft and silky. To use, apply the gel all over the hair from the roots to the ends about 30 minutes before your hair wash. Make sure to cover all the dry and damaged parts well. After 30 minutes, wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can store this gel in the fridge for up to 1 week. I always like to make a fresh batch every week for the best results. If your hair is feeling rough and frizzy, please do give this simple remedy a try. You will see a beautiful difference in just one wash.